Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure home office calculations in H&R Block step by step clearly. Open H&R Block software on your computer. If you haven't already, log into your account. Navigate to the Deductions section in the main menu. Select Home Office from the available options. Choose whether you are using the simplified method or the regular method for your calculations. If you select the simplified method, enter the total square footage of your home office space. Input the square footage of your entire home in the designated field. The software will automatically calculate your deduction. If you prefer the regular method, you'll need to list your actual home office expenses. Enter the total amount for utilities, rent, and mortgage interest as applicable. Document any repairs or maintenance costs related to your home office. Input amounts for any office supplies and equipment you have purchased. Make sure to include any additional expenses, such as internet and phone service costs. Once all expenses are entered, H&R Block will calculate your potential deduction. Review the summary to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Make adjustments as necessary to maximize your deduction. When satisfied, proceed to the next section of your tax return. Save your progress to avoid losing any entered information. Continue through the rest of H&R Block to complete your filing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.